Sup? Volleyball. Woo!
I'm Katie Oberhansley. I was the co-manager over Mud Volleyball this year. This event happens once a year, every spring semester.
Come and play, it's so much fun. It's awesome.
I'm standing right in front of an area where we had a lot of games set up. We had another volleyball net and we had a slip and slide, which is still out, but yet people are just using the hose to hose off. We had tug of war, people were playing gunny sacks, giant twister, and bocce ball actually. We just wanted to have something here for people to eat. The food we had this year was chili Frito bowl. There was chips and cookies and jerky. Yeah, and we had a little raffle throughout where we'd pick people's names. Everyone that came, we wrote down their name and put on a raffle. And whoever we picked, they came in and got to pick a surprise.
The first winner is Austin Blair.
A couple of them got lawn chairs, camping chairs type things, and a volleyball and frisbee, things like that.
Just here at the Mud Volleyball Tournament, won the awesome camping chair in the raffle. It was amazing fun, got super dirty. Like I said, won an amazing chair.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie Davidson and I'm one of the co-partners for Mud Volleyball. Right now we have the championship game going on right behind me, so we'll see who wins. We're super excited and play hard.
Mud Volleyball!